Did you know that your ESA funds are already approved for this? I homeschooled our 6 kids for well over 14 years, and now I'm Chief Learning Officer of VictoryXR. I'm excited to share with you 2 products. With HoloTutor, your students will be able to access lessons any hour in any language your family needs. There's no wait list, there's no scheduling around someone else's calendar. If your child is stuck on a math problem, HoloTutor works every problem out step by step, right on the whiteboard, and it never gets impatient. And when it's time to go beyond the textbook, VXRLabs will put your students inside the lesson. Go to the surface of Mars, go to the base of Mount Fuji, run an experiment that would never fit inside your own kitchen. I've sat where you're sitting, trying to make the most of every dollar. See if your state qualifies. The link's right here.